Hey there, foodies, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. Today, we are about to embark on a mouth-watering journey, one that transcends generations and brings us the ultimate comfort food royalty chicken parmesan. Get ready for a culinary adventure from family kitchens to the heart of cravings. I'm John, and you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. The family recipe. A cozy kitchen filled with the aroma of garlic and love. Our journey starts where all great stories do, with the sacred family recipe passed down through generations. It's more than just ingredients, it's a legacy. Culinary evolution. Fast forward to today, and chicken parmesan has undergone a culinary metamorphosis. From Nonna's rustic kitchen to trendy bistros, it's adapted and evolved, becoming a timeless classic with a modern twist. A symphony of flavors. Now let's talk about the magic in every bite. It's not just a dish, it's a symphony of flavors. Ripe tomatoes, aromatic herbs, and the perfectly melted cheese, all coming together to create a chorus of deliciousness. Comfort food royalty. As we journey through the flavors, it becomes clear. Chicken parmesan isn't just a meal, it's a royal experience. Whether you're cozied up at home or dining out in style, this dish wears the crown of comfort food with pride. Global influence. Now let's take our taste buds on a globe-trotting adventure. Chicken parmesan has spread its wings far beyond its Italian roots, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the vibrant markets of Mexico City. Discover how different cultures have put their unique spin on this classic dish. And there you have it, our chicken parmesan chronicles. Remember, behind every delicious bite is a story waiting to be shared. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, subscribe for more food adventures, and check out our other videos. I'm John, signing off. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep on cooking.